Hello, and welcome to the tutorial for the Clean Group tool presented by Engineering Tools. Let's dive right in. This tool allows you to remove all entities from a group except the elements. After using it on a group, that group will contain only element IDs. To use this tool, you will first need an active group. Here we have a model of a satellite with an active group. To see the list of current entities in this group, right-click on the group in the tree. Select List, and select All Entities in Group. This will write a list of all the group's entities to the message window. You can see that this group contains a few types of entities, including elements and nodes. We want just elements in this group, so we'll use the Clean Group tool to get rid of everything else. To do this, make sure the group is still active. When a group is active, it appears bold in the tree. Then, go to the Engineering Tools section of the ribbon and select Model Organization and Clean Group Keep Only Elements. Then, select the groups you wish to clean and hit OK. Now we'll go back into the tree, and again right-clicking on the active group, we'll select List, List All Entities in Group. Now, as we scroll through the entity list, we can see that only elements remain. The tool successfully removed all other entity types from the group. This tool removes rules, geometry, loads, and any other non-element entities from the group and converts the entity membership to a list of elements only. This has been a tutorial of the Clean Group tool presented by Engineering Tools. Thank you for watching.